Hello, good morning, all of you. Welcome again in 8th standard GK class with Ojashwini. And our today's topic is Chapter 9 Spacewalk. Yes. I don't forget that today should be Chapter 8. But due to some reasons, I skipped this chapter and we will complete it later. So, be ready for Chapter 9 Spacewalk. Spacewalk, also known as extravehicular activity EVA, involves venturing out of the spacecraft in the space to perform an experiment for repair work. So, in today's class, we know about astronaut who created milestone in spacewalk. Number 1, on March 18, 1965, he became the first human to walk in the space. He reached there by the Russian spacecraft Voskhod. Second, and name of this astronaut is Alexei Leonov. Do one change in number 1 in third row. Here it is written wrong spelling, means in K and H you have to exchange their places, and the correct spelling should be VOSKHOD, means K comes before H. The next one is, she was a Russian cosmonaut who became the first woman to walk in the space. She conducted an experiment on Salyut 7 space station, and her name is Svetlana Savitskaya. In the third number picture, she was an American astronaut who performed the longest spacewalk, that is 8 hours and 56 minutes long, and her name is Susan Helms. And as you see in your book, in place of she, there it is written he. So correct it, guys. And this astronaut is a female. The next one, he was an American astronaut who performed an in-flight repair of the space shuttle during the first spacewalk on August 3rd, 2005. His name is Steve Robinson. The next number is, with 16 spacewalks totaling 82 hours and 22 minutes of EVA extravehicular activity, he holds the record for the most spacewalks and the longest duration of EVA, and his name is Anatoly Soloviev. The next one is, he is the first Chinese astronaut who is spent 20 minutes walking in the space on September 27, 2008. With his work, he made China the third country after the USA and the former Soviet Union to achieve this milestone. And name of this Chinese astronaut is Zhai Zaigang. And as you seen in this chapter in your book, there is no picture given of these astronaut or cosmonaut, but in this video class you can see who or she, how they look, and you can recognize them if anywhere else you find them, I mean into any book or in any magazine. So chapter 9 is not here completed, because do you know problems with spacewalk? There are numerous problems. that an astronaut can face while performing spacewalk. Like a spacewalker could get separated from his or her spacecraft and start floating away. However, the biggest danger during the spacewalk is collision with space debris floating in the orbit from earlier missions. So, this chapter is completed now, but after this class, you will again study this chapter and in which names you are feeling difficulty, you will repeat that name again and again 4 5 times. You can also write their pronunciation for making your learning easy. Then your homework is complete exercise of chapter 9 spacewalk and draw a picture of an astronaut in GK notebook. If you want, you can color this astronaut or you can shade with pencil. In your GK book, this page is of black color, so you can use gray sparkle, silver sparkle pen, or any other pen that is seen in black color. So, thank you. Have a nice day.